Samsung has just unveiled its newest foldable lineup, and there's a lot to talk about. Meet the Galaxy Z Flip8, Galaxy Z Fold8, and the flagship Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra. Whether you want a compact flip phone or the biggest foldable Samsung has ever made, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our layest tech content.
First up, the Galaxy Z Flip8. Samsung has made it even slimmer and easier to carry. It's just 13.1 millimeters thick when folded, only 6.1 millimeters when open, and weighs just 180 grams. That makes it one of the lightest and most portable foldables you can buy. The cover display is now larger at 4.1 inches, and it's much more useful than before. You can check updates, manage your schedule, answer calls, read messages, and even watch short videos without opening the phone. Open it up and you get a beautiful 6.9-inch display with a sharp 1080 by 2520 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Despite the thinner body, Samsung has packed in a bigger 4300 mAh battery with 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging for longer use. For cameras, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Power comes from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 for Galaxy, paired with 12 GB RAM, delivering true flagship performance in a compact foldable. The Flip 8 is available in shadow gray, cloud silver, sweet pink, and an exclusive cyan green, giving users plenty of stylish options. Now let's move to the Galaxy Z Fold8, Samsung's latest book-style foldable. And this is where things get really interesting. The outer display measures 5.5 inches with a sharp 428 ppi, a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a 10:16 aspect ratio. Open it up and you're greeted by a large 7.6-inch display with a 4:3 aspect ratio, 1848 by 2448 resolution, 403 ppi, and the same smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung has also upgraded the inner display with a new shock-absorbing layer that reduces the visible crease while boosting durability. It also features an anti-reflective coating and an impressive 3000 nits of peak brightness, making outdoor viewing much better. Software has improved too. Around 94% of the top 200 apps are now fully optimized for the foldable screen, so most apps run beautifully without annoying black bars. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through short videos, reading articles, or switching between portrait and landscape, the Fold 8 delivers a smooth and immersive large screen experience. Samsung didn't stop there. The Fold 8 is just 9.7 millimeters thick when folded and an incredibly slim 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. At only 201 grams, it's officially the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold Samsung has ever released. Even compared to Huawei's wide-style foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold8 still holds an advantage in overall size. Inside, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 for Galaxy with 12 GB RAM, while the top model gets 16 GB. You also get a 4800 mAh battery with 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. For cameras, Samsung includes a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, delivering excellent everyday photos. It can record with the front and rear cameras at the same time and even supports stunning 8K video recording. The Fold 8 comes in soft purple, cloud white, eyeshadow gray, and an exclusive spring green, all giving it a premium, elegant look. Now it's time for Samsung's most powerful foldable yet, the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra, and this one takes things to the next level. It features a 6.5-inch cover display that unfolds into a huge 8-inch screen. Like the Fold 8, it uses a shock-absorbing display design with an anti-reflective coating for a brighter, tougher viewing experience. That massive display is built for multitasking. You can easily run two apps side by side and customize split-screen windows, making it a great choice for work and productivity. Samsung has also made it thinner and lighter. It's just 8.9 millimeters thick when folded, only 4.1 millimeters when open, and weighs just 215 grams, making the large phone surprisingly comfortable to hold. Even with the slimmer design, Samsung has increased the battery to 5,000 milliamp hours. You also get 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging to keep you going all day. Performance is flagship level 2. The Fold8 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 for Galaxy with 12 GB RAM, while the top version upgrades to 16 GB for even more power. The biggest highlight is the camera. Samsung packs in a massive 200-megapixel main sensor with improved image stabilization and better low-light performance, giving you sharper, clearer shots. Video creators get a bonus as well. The Fold8 Ultra supports cinematic LUTs and 4 built-in cinematic presets, making professional-looking videos much easier to create. Color options include matte purple, plus upgraded AI-enhanced versions of ultra-clear white, eyeshadow gray, and the exclusive pine green. Samsung has also boosted its AI features. See something on your screen? Just activate AI. It can recognize what's displayed, predict what you want to search, and find it instantly with a single tap. No manual selection needed. The AI can also summarize content, create documents, copy web page links, and handle many other smart tasks to make daily use faster and easier. So that's Samsung's latest foldable lineup, from the compact Galaxy Z Flip8 to the versatile Galaxy Z Fold8 and the powerhouse Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra. There's a foldable for every type of user. The real question is, which one would you choose?